Welcome back. Today we're going to create a chatbot, and the character in this is the familiar Scratch cat. So let's delete the default sprite and bring in the Scratch cat. It's an itching for more Scratch cat. Now looking at my algorithm, the first thing the cat has to do is walk onto the screen. So I'm going to create a script so that when the green flag is clicked, the cat starts off the screen, let's say at -270, 0, and glides into the screen to the center at 0, 0. And that works. The cat is now going to greet the user. So once again, looking at my algorithm, I'm going to get the cat to say hello. I'm Scratch Cat for 2 seconds. The cat is then going to ask, "What's your name?" and wait for an answer. Once the user's replied, it's going to say, and here we have to join more than one thing. It's nice to meet you, comma, and then a space, and the user's answer. The cat is now going to ask the user how old they are. So, ask, "How old are you?" And then we're going to bring out an if-else block. If, and this is a greater than block, so if the user's answer is greater than 18, then we're going to say, "Wow, you're old," for 2 seconds. Otherwise, we're going to say, "You're still quite young," for 2 seconds. Next, the cat is going to ask the user for their hobby. So, with an ask command, it's going to ask, "I like chasing mice. What do you like to do?" And then with the user's reply and a join, we're going to say the user's answer, and make sure you put a space in here, "sounds really cool." We're now going to ask the user to tell us more. And we'll repeat asking please until the user's answer doesn't equal no. So if the user keeps saying no, the program will ask please and keep saying so until the user gives an answer other than no. Now looking back at my algorithm, the cat is going to wind up the conversation by saying, "Okay then, we've chatted for long enough, and we'll make that for 3 seconds. I can duplicate that block and say, "Must go, those mice don't chase themselves," again for 3 seconds. Finally, the cat is going to walk off the screen. So in motion, I'm going to glide 1 second over to 270 and Y0, and this will take the cat off the screen to the right. And there we are, a finished chatbot.